Hello everyone. So this is the second day of Zoom marathon, and today I am going to make a video on React. So let's start. So React is the declarative, efficient, and flexible JavaScript library which is used for building a user interfaces. When we talked about the React are used to make user interfaces, it means they is for making the view part of the website view what the user are able to see on their browser, like front end part of the applications. So and that React help us to make a painless to build a application very faster because it's a declarative JavaScript framework. So JavaScript so React compose a compose a small piece of code or isolated piece of code to make a complex application, and that small piece of code or isolated piece of code is called a component. So so React basically use the component, various different component, and that will be reusable. Like if you have to make the same feature in other places, you will just don't you are not going to rewrite the code, you will just reuse the code previously used. So that help us to make the application very faster. So another thing is React uses virtual DOM, that is nothing a JavaScript object which improve the performance of application because the virtual DOM is faster than the real DOM. So initially uh, React is built by the team of Facebook, and later on the Facebook team implement this React feature on the WhatsApp and the Instagram. So React is a open source library. Open source library means anyone who can go and contribute to them. So a lot of React is a large community. React has a large community, and many of the contributors are contributed to the React library. So if we talk more about the components and declarative, so let's we go some deep inside the declarative what it means. So declarative means in program, at least in programming language, it means telling what to do instead of how to do. So that is declarative means. So like if we have to create a button, or if we have to disable a button, we have just to tell React, and React have has the responsibility when to create and when to disable that button. So that's all about the declarative of the element, and the component is also declarative in the React because when we talked about the functional component in React, the functional component is nothing, it's just a JavaScript function, and that is uh, invoked by, that is called by React whenever the Reacts required. So we have to just write the component, and inside the component we have to declare the React element, that we have to declare that React, that element on the UI, and the React will taking care of when that element will be rendered on the UI. So that's how the React is declarative, efficient, and flexible JavaScript library, and they use the component a small piece of code that is called component, and that help us to improve the application performance of the application. So thank you. This is that is in this video, and in the next video we are going to talk about how the React work and the virtual DOM, how they are uh, improving the applications speed of the applications. So thank you.